St. Louis College of San Fernando, La Union stands as the beacon of wisdom in the North, proudly affiliated with the CICM Philippine School Network, dedicated to the CICM mission. The institution fosters the integral human formation of the youth, guided by the core values of Christ-centeredness, excellence, and missionary spirit, reflecting the legacy of CICM founder Father Chopel Vervis and Patron Saint Aloysius Gonzaga. The college remains steadfast in its commitment to delivering transformative, relevant, and innovative education. It served as one of the premier institutions of higher learning in the region, offering a diverse array of programs across multiple disciplines. Both undergraduate and graduate programs are designed to equip learners with essential knowledge, skills, and values, ensuring their success in chosen career paths. St. Louis College of San Fernando, La Union cultivates a sustainable and fulfilling future, instilling the principles of Christ-centeredness, excellence, and missionary work in every student. A beacon of wisdom in the North Philippines, the institution continues to illuminate the path toward values-oriented education. Its legacy and apparel of academic excellence endures, shaping generations of leaders. St. Louis College stands strong, committed to its vision, unwavering in its mission, and steadfast in keeping the flame of its educational and missionary endeavors alive. With the pride and passion, St. Louis College keeps the flame of wisdom burning, guiding generation, inspiring change, and embracing its mission with steadfast resolve. The journey continues, and together we forge ahead, united our vision of excellence and service.